How powerful was the F-1 engine at the Intrepid Museum? Imagine a machine so powerful it could lift a rocket the size of a skyscraper off the ground and send humans to the moon. That's what the F-1 engine did during the Apollo missions. The engine you see at the Intrepid Sea, Air and Space Museum is the most powerful single-chamber liquid-fueled rocket engine ever flown. It produced about 1,522,000 pounds-force of thrust at sea level. To put that into perspective, that's roughly 6.8 million newtons. This kind of power was necessary to push the massive Saturn V rocket into space. The engine's turbine alone generated around 41 megawatts of power, which is about 55,000 horsepower. That's enough to run a large city's power grid for a day. The F-1 burned a mix of refined kerosene called RP1 and liquid oxygen. It used nearly 880 kilograms of fuel every second, and about 1,789 kilograms of liquid oxygen each second. This huge flow of fuel and oxidizer created the incredible thrust needed to lift the rocket's payload toward the moon. To keep the engine from overheating during such intense burning, engineers used a regenerative cooling system. They circulated the RP1 around the engine nozzle, absorbing heat and preventing damage. The engine's parts were made from special materials like Inconel X750, a nickel alloy that could handle extreme heat and pressure. The F-1 engine played a vital role in America's space history. It powered the first stage of the Saturn V rocket, which carried astronauts to the moon during the Apollo program. Without this engine's strength, reaching space and landing on the moon would not have been possible. Today, at the Intrepid Museum, visitors can see this engine and understand the incredible engineering behind it. It's a symbol of human innovation and the drive to explore beyond our planet. The power of the F-1 engine helped the United States achieve one of its greatest scientific and technological milestones. It remains a key piece of aerospace history, inspiring future generations of engineers and explorers.